paste it over. Oh, don't put too much, it's just gonna keep leaking. Oh, we need a bit of mesh. I wonder, I might try a bit of my plastering mesh. Oh, g'day there. Good morning. Welcome back to the boat. I was meant to be doing stuff to the boat last weekend, but I got COVID. So this week's been pretty horrible, actually. COVID's horrible, really horrible. You just feel like you got no energy. Drains you so much. Let's get into it, eh? Let's see what we can do. I got a message this week from a bloke. You know who you are, Ram. Amazing, just inspirational, just to hear from you, messaging me saying that I've inspired you to work on your boat project, to get out there and get it done. Absolutely fantastic, mate. You're a legend, and thank you so much for donating towards the boat. You know, every little bit is an amazing help, and I'm just blown away when, you know, when I've got all you guys that have joined, and guys like Ram, who just out of the blue just said he wants to help out, and I just think that's just incredible. It's so nice, really nice, really is. So this episode's dedicated to you, mate. You got me up and out and out to the boat today. And look who we've got turned up. It's Uncle Rob. I don't know if you remember back when we were building the old frame around the boat. Rob came up to give us a hand, and he's rocked up to give us another hand today, so that's great.
Yeah, sucker for punishment.
What we're going to get him to do is we're going to sand up all of this stuff again, get it all back looking nice. Now we've got an engine that we can get sorted and get in there. We've got to start looking at sealing all this back up again once the engine goes in. That's the reason this end hasn't been built and it's all open. So let's get working on it. We'll get him to sand it up. We've got some timber hardener, timber treatment there, and we're going to paint everything up in that, make it all nice again. Beautiful. All right, get into it. All right, let's do it. I'm pretty happy with that. Got it cleaned up, prepped. We've removed all the lumps. We've gotten all the crap out. All the rotted bits of wood out from underneath everywhere, and you know, all the way along both sides. All the lumps out. Ready. Ready. This is looking amazing. Now, what I want to do quickly is, because this was my tester, I wanted to see how this epoxy paste went. All right, let's mix up some, mix some of this epoxy paste up and just keep going on these gaps. Looks about the same amount. Pretty well mixed. Paste it over. Oh. Don't put too much, it's just going to keep leaking. We need a bit of mesh. I wonder, I might try a bit of my plastering mesh. That might hold it together a bit better. Yeah, let's try that. Let's just top that up a bit.
That's a good start.
That's fantastic, mate. That's amazing.
Enjoyed that. It was good.
Looks great. Yeah, let's just brought that timber back up. It was just sitting out here. Now I did have a question actually from one of you guys on the channel, and you asked why didn't I completely wrap up the boat during the wet season, which is a good question, but it's also, this is far north Queensland. If you wrap anything up in plastic or just anything in particular in during the wet season, it just all turns to mold. It just rots.
You end up with a penicillin plant.
You do. So you need to leave things. I left it open enough so that airflow got through it all. This timber, I knew it was going to sand up pretty good. You know, it's pretty new. It's just a little bit of dry age on the bit of oxidization, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
And so with that all done, it's looking good. We can just give it a bit of an oil.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Rob.
No, you're welcome. It was fun.
Yeah, it's just another little job done. That's what we want. And this is all prepped now. That looks great. That's all prepped and ready. Ah, I'm stoked. All right, that'll do for today, I reckon. What do you reckon?
Beer 30, I think.
Beer 30? Sounds good to me. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
See ya.
See you later.